Hello, got myself a new toy. Popcorn maker. I'm always watching those videos that Greg Doucette does, okay? And he's always on about having smart popcorn, but because I live in England, I can't find it anywhere. And I'm useless with like websites and things like that. Yeah, ironic, okay? And I can't find it anywhere to buy the right one. So what I'm doing, okay, is using popcorn kernels. Might not be as good, but it's a hell of a lot better than something like that. Okay? And it's so easy to use. Even I can use it. Literally, okay? You get this thing here. Alright? That's where your kernels go. Okay? That's the lid. Okay. And literally they go into there. Okay? Alright, there's your on button. Simple. Put your lid on. The kernels. Right. I have done this last night as well, okay, right? And it does like fire a few here and there, it makes like a tiny bit of a mess. This one, okay? Sweetener, okay? If you like it sweet, okay? Salt, if you like it salty, okay? Or if you like toffee popcorn, okay, get a low-calorie toffee sauce. Okay, I'm getting some sauces coming, but they're not coming here yet. They're not coming here yet. They're not here yet. I'll show you how this works now. Okay. Bowl. There. Put it on like that. Okay. So it sits like that. You can see it sitting, and then you flip it. Goes down. That simple. Okay, right. On, okay. And on. That took about 2-3 minutes, I think. So you will actually get some unpopped kernels left, you know, like you do when you have like microwave popcorn. The difference with this one is, okay, right, is you can put it back into the bag and reuse it. Okay, look, that's how much I've got left. Okay, right, basically half of it. Okay, right, yeah, that sounds absolutely bad. Like I'm not going to say it isn't, okay, but that's how much popcorn I got. Okay, I'm going to show you now. Okay. This was from a full scoop. That's what's left. Okay, so you're not wasting any. Like you can't reuse the microwave bags of popcorn if you've got some unpopped kernels. At least this one you can see it and like it doesn't burn. So put it on 0 or a 0. Okay. There you go. Like, is it? It's good. And that weighs 39 grams. Okay, 39 grams. All of that for 39 grams. I'll put the calories in that for 39 grams or thereabouts. Okay, won't be exactly bang on. Okay, so if you're like a maths wizard, okay, please correct me. Another thing you can do, okay, is put some butter, okay, right? Low calorie, high calorie, if you don't care about it, but you want more taste, okay, in this, okay, right, whilst your popcorn's being made, okay, right, you melt your butter, you pour your butter over it. Be creative. And if this isn't enough popcorn for you, okay, to fit your calories or your macros or mackerels, your fish, yeah, your macros, okay, right, give it 10 to 12 minutes for it to cool down, okay, you have to, and then you make more. It's that simple. Okay. This one I got from Argos. Okay. It is called American Originals. Yeah. Okay. $17.99. Okay. Absolutely great. Like I said, you can eat it plain if you want to. But if you've got taste buds, 1 cal spray. Okay. Six calories. Sweetener. Okay. Per half a gram. Okay, right. There's 2 calories. Whatever that weighs, sprinkle it on. If you want more, sprinkle it on. Okay? Maybe 10 calories. What's 10 calories? It's 10 calories. Get a plate. Healthy, tasty, low calorie, fill you up, okay, right, because the fibre in it, okay, it's good for fibre as well, alright, tastes nice, okay, right, takes ages to eat. Just try it out. Thank you for watching.